In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Microsoft Teams for project management. To begin, open the Microsoft Teams app. Teams works best for project management when you use it consistently for quick conversations, meeting coordination, and staying on top of updates, all in one place. First, go to the far left sidebar and click Chat. Chat is where you can run private, focused conversations with a single teammate, which is helpful for quick decisions, clarifications, or sharing a file without posting it to a larger group. At the top of your chat list, click the new chat icon. It looks like a square with a pencil. This starts a fresh message thread. Now click into the To field and type your colleague's name. As you type, Teams will suggest matching people. Select the correct person or press Enter to confirm the name. Once the chat is created, you can begin messaging right away. For project work, keep your messages clear and specific, and use short updates so the other person can respond quickly. Next, move over to Scheduling and Meetings. On the left sidebar, click Calendar to view your schedule. This is where you can manage the meeting side of project execution, like stand-ups, check-ins, and reviews. Find the meeting you need and click the Scheduled Meeting block. This opens the meeting details so you can confirm the time, topic, and any related information before joining. When you are ready to enter the call, click the Join button in the top right corner. Joining from the calendar helps you arrive in the correct meeting with the right context. Once you are in, you can collaborate in real time and keep work moving forward. Finally, to stay on top of project communication, click the Activity bell on the left. Activity collects your latest mentions and replies, which makes it easier to catch important updates without searching through chats. Checking activity regularly is a simple way to avoid missing tasks or decisions. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.